Leslie here. Welcome to my YouTube channel at Dance with Leslie. Today I'm going to do the tutorial to Crisco and Disco. This is a very easy 32 count 4-wall dance choreographed by Nidhi, Risi, and the artist is Lambert. It has only an 8 count intro. So here we go, we will start. We start with a Lindy to the right and a Lindy to the left. What is a Lindy? A Lindy is right foot steps to the right, bring in the left, step again with the right to the side, and then do a rock, recover, left, right. That is one Lindy. Now Lindy to the left is left foot side, bring the right in, left foot side, rock, recover, right, left. So we go step together, step, rock, recover, step together, step, rock, recover. And the counts are 1 and 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6, 7, 8. The next set of 8 counts, we take the right leg on the diagonal and do 3 walks with a little kick at the end. Right, right, kick, and then we walk back. 1, 2, and then we do a coaster step. What is a coaster step? A coaster step in this case is with the left leg. I'm going to go back, together, forward. And then we are going to go to the opposite diagonal corner. Right, right, kick, back, 1, 2, coaster step. Now for the coaster step, until you get it, just do 3 little steps in place. So it will look like this. Right leg free, walk 3, 1, 2, 3, kick, walk 2 back, 1, 2, and then just go 1, 2, 3. Now the other diagonal, right, kick, back, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. With the counts, that is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. From the top, 2 Lindies. Here we go. And Lindy right, rock back, recover. Lindy left, rock back, recover. Walk 1, 2, 3 with a kick. 1, 2, coaster step, diagonal left, 3, kick, back, 2, coaster step. And now we're going to do the next set of 8 counts. And we take toe struts. That's just you put your toe down and then you drop your heel, toe down, drop your heel, toe down, drop your heel, toe down, drop your heel. We're going to do 4 of those going from 12 o'clock to 3 o'clock. So we go toe, heel, toe, heel, toe, heel, toe, heel. Yes? Good. Counts on that are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And that is the end of the dance. Let's go from the top. 2 Lindies and Lindy, take it, rock, recover. Lindy, take her, rock, recover. Forward on the diagonal for 3 with a kick, back, 2, and a coaster step. Right diagonal, left diagonal, kick, back, 2, and a coaster step. Toe and heel and toe and heel, toe and heel and toe and heel. With the counts, we have 1 and 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6, 7 and 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. I'll now do the second wall for you. We have Lindy to the left, right, rock, recover. Lindy to the left, rock, recover. 3 walks forward, 2, 3 with a kick, and a back, 2 with a coaster step. Diagonal left with a kick, and back together, coaster step. A toe and a heel with the toe struts. And one more from the back, recover. Walk, 2, 3 with a kick and a back, 2, coaster step. 1, 2, 3 with a kick and a back, 2, a coaster step, a toe and a heel, a toe and a heel, toe and a heel. Walk 4, step together, step, rock back, recover. Step together, step, rock back, recover. Walk, 2, 3, kick, back, 2, coaster step. Walk, 2, 3, kick, back, 2, coaster step, toe heel, toe heel, toe heel, toe heel. There we go. Well done. So please subscribe to my channel, make a comment, share, and look for the demo for this. I will post the link for the demo. So I will see you next time. Bye for now.